Hey, how you doing? Welcome to the channel. This is Bachelor Gabe, and I'm here to cook chicken drumsticks. I'm going to season them up. All I got is just a basic Weber's seasoning, some olive oil spray, and some barbecue sauce. You don't need much, and a cup of chicken broth. We're going to get this going. It's going to be delicious. We're going to cook it in the pressure cooker, the Instant Pot. And then we're going to grill it for a few minutes outside to crisp it up. And I hope you enjoy. I'm no expert at cooking, but I'm becoming a good cook, and I hope you can become a good one with me. Alright, so once again, the ingredients, simple. Chicken broth, we're going to use 1 cup of chicken broth. I had this Weber's New Orleans Cajun seasoning. I have organic extra virgin olive oil spray, and I have some barbecue sauce in the fridge that I forgot to bring out. There we go, some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. So let's see, we got 4 ingredients here. It's pretty simple, guys. If I can do it, you sure as hell can do it. Let's get this going. Let's get this started, baby. Woo! So I got my chicken drumsticks out. Get these bad boys going. They're still semi-frozen, but that's not a problem with the Instant Pot, thankfully. Let's break these bad boys apart. Got ourselves a little brick here almost. I'm gonna cook 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 drumsticks. So I got the chicken in the bowl. What I'm going to do, just spray it down real good with some olive oil. Got my seasoning here. I'm going to season one side of it real good. A lot of it falls off in the Instant Pot. It's a little different. Season it real good, rub it in. On the one side, oh yeah. Don't be scared, get in there. Flip them over. Rub the other side. When you're happy with how much you've seasoned them, get ready for the barbecue sauce. Alright, bear with me. I'm going to take you step by step through this. Got a basket out. Got a cup of chicken broth. Put that bad boy in. We're done with that. Now we're just going to add the chicken. These baskets are awesome. I just picked one up. Beautiful. Preparation time is about 5 minutes. Easy peasy. Now we cook for 18 minutes. Release the steamer valve, and we work our way out to the grill. Do 18 minutes. Squeeze the thermometer after, make sure everything's good to go. Hit the start button. Now this Instant Pot was a little intimidating for me at first. I'm like, is it cooking? What's going on here? Well, there's like a pre-workout time where it preheats, and then it goes into cooking mode, and then keep warm mode. Once it hits that keep warm mode, you're able to release the valve. And once all the steam releases, it activates the unlock, so you can unlock the top lid, at least with the newer models, and your food's done. So it's pretty easy. Alright folks, the Instant Pot just beeped. We're ready to go. Everything cooked. We gotta let out the steam now. Take the steam release valve. Takes a little bit. This thing can be intimidating at first, I'm telling you, but it's nothing. It's a piece of cake. It's a beautiful way to cook food too, it really is. Everything comes out delicious, the meat falls off the bone. We'll let this steam for a little bit. Alright, we're good to go. I got my brush. Oh, first we'll check the temperature, make sure it's 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure the chicken's safe to eat. Yep, we're good. Everything's between 175 and 209. Very good, very good. I want to take the chicken out. You want to take it out by the bone because the meat will fall off otherwise. Just take this bad boy out. Again, as you can see, a lot of our seasoning and barbecue sauce has fallen off. So what I like to do is, you know, you gotta put a couple more layers of barbecue sauce on. So what I do is I brush one side. And the side that I didn't brush, I'm going to put on the grill. Let this caramelize the top part. And then once it caramelizes, I'll flip it over to the bottom part that doesn't have any barbecue sauce or very little, and put barbecue sauce on that side. I want to do each side about 4 minutes on the grill. I'm a slob. I like a lot of barbecue. Alright, we're good to go outside on that grill, baby. Let's go. Alright, now it's time to fire up the grill. Woo! Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. That was a nice little video effect there. That was purposely done, by the way. Alright, let me go get this chicken. Alright, we're just waiting for the grill to heat up. Be good to go. Put the chicken on the grill. Be careful though. This meat is real tender. Alright, we'll do about 4 minutes on each side. We'll be good to go. Alright, I flipped them and just applied some more barbecue sauce on, which I'm going to brush on. Want that to caramelize real nice. Got about 3 minutes left, and you can get this same type of charred look with the air fryer and broil on. I just prefer the grill. Just like that, we're done. Looks delicious, don't it? Now we'll let it cool for about 10 minutes and dive right in. Now if you want a quick side with the chicken, you can do this microwavable Spanish rice. You slit the top, cook it in the microwave for a minute and a half, and you're good to go. Put some hot sauce on it. Good little meal right there. Now doesn't this bad boy, let me put into focus. Look at that wing. Oh my god. Doesn't that look delicious? Alright, let's try it out. Nice and flavorful. Did a pretty good job. Not bad. See you next time.